Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to add a large list of contacts into Gmail without doing it one by one, this video is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to import a CSV file into Gmail to create a clean, organized contact list. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a quick trick for managing your imported contacts so you always stay organized. Step 1. Preparing your CSV file. Before you can import, you need to make sure your file is set up correctly. Open any spreadsheet tool like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Create a column and label it exactly Email. This is crucial because Gmail only recognizes that label. Underneath, type out or paste each email address on its own row. Once that's ready, double-check the encoding. Your file should be saved in UTF-8 format to avoid weird character errors later. Finally, save it as a .csv file on your computer. That's it. Your file is now ready to go. Step 2. Importing the CSV into Google Contacts. Now, let's head over to Google Contacts. Sign into your Google account and open contacts.google.com. On the left-hand menu, click on Import. A pop-up will ask you to select a file. Choose the CSV file you just prepared, click Open, and then hit Import. Gmail will process the file, and depending on the size of your list, it may take a moment. Once it's done, all those email addresses will appear in your Google Contacts. Step 3. Managing imported contacts. Here's the cool part. Gmail automatically groups your imported contacts under a label, usually named Imported on Date. This makes it super easy to find them. If you want to give that label a more descriptive name, like newsletter subscribers or work leads, just click the pencil icon next to the label, type your new name, and save. So to recap, make sure your CSV file has a properly labeled email column, save it in UTF-8 format, then import it into Google Contacts where Gmail will neatly organize it for you. This method is the fastest, cleanest way to bulk add and manage contacts inside Gmail in 2025. And that's it. You've just learned how to import a CSV list into Gmail the right way. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.